Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your to-do list on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the play button. You go to the list icon at the lower left corner of the screen, and here the first option, the to do, and here you can check your to-do list. For example, you look the sweep the area do it button, and here you can check the inbox and other buttons. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.